Welcome back, guys, to
Front Tour Part 5, let's go.
Yeah, Front Tour Part 5. We can't go down that trail because there's a tree stand there, down there. So, yeah. And this is why I said the ranger can't go down here. Or that I feel safe enough. You coming?
Nah, we're walking. Making our way downtown. Oh, I see.
Oh, never mind.
We're gonna make Part 5 quick. Cause I gotta go pie.
Oh, God. If I have to, you can poop in the bush.
No.
I got leaf toilet paper.
Leaf paper. Wait. Oh, never mind.
This is why I said I don't trust them.
Wait, you don't trust the ranger with this?
Get up here.
Nah.
Ranger's coming.
Oh, okay. Wait, if you don't,
I
wait.
don't trust it. And
He
I'm not,
trusts it.
Yeah, because he's not scared of anything.
My hand is on.
Don't turn the fence back on, okay?
Alright, we gotta be careful now.
You gotta be careful. Not me. This fence does not hurt me no more because I can't feel anything. I can't feel electrical shocks in that fence.
Neither can I anymore. My hands are so cold. They might as well be shocking.
No, I never could.
How shocking.
That's a tree stand that we didn't know was here until just a couple years ago. So as long as it's not in use, it doesn't matter. But those crates do look like they've been moved. We're almost done, kind of.
I don't think you've ever showed me any were down here yet.
You've never been down here before.
Nope. So I am.
Except for once, but that was a long time ago.
So I'm learning with y'all too.
You did come down here once, like one of the first times you came.
I don't remember
Can
that.
I vlog?
Nope, I'm doing it.
Can I do it just for a little bit?
Sure. Don't click any buttons though.
Hey guys.
Do you have any idea what it's gonna look like?
No, I don't, because I can't see it. So, guys, so yeah, there's a lot of woods, mainly. A lot of walking we have to do.
And also, this is all being filmed on a Flip Minnow HD 2nd generation by Cisco. Made in 2010.
Yep.
It's still 720p quality, so.
I thought it was 1080.
Nope, 720.
Oh, okay.
It was made in 2010.
Oh.
What can you expect from it?
You said it was 1080.
No, it was made in 2010.
Okay.
If anything, you should be happy that's even 720.
Oh, okay. So, guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Tristan, I have you zoomed in.
Okay.
Walk right here.
It's gonna be a long walk back.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be an even longer walk than today.
No, I haven't seen any of that stuff. Wait. Nah.
You know, we can also go around this way to go back.
Nah, I'd rather go back the way that we came. More of an adventure. Woods.
We are going to go this way because it's got another fun trail.
The fun trails are not fun.
This one is. It's a lot of off-roading. I don't
Why
know.
didn't we take the four-wheeler?
Tristan, come here. Be a flyer.
Not sponsored. I wish.
I don't know, Tristan, can you see that little thing over there? That looks different from the rest of the tree?
Yeah.
That's my tree stand. That's where I hunt. I shot my first deer in this field. I can tell you exactly where that first deer died, too.
Man. Wait, why don't we spend more time down here?
Coyotes?
Abooga!
No, more. I'm not gonna call. If I call, they might come. Right there, there might be a guy. Right there.
Deer.
We may end up making a part 6 because we still got a long way to go.
Yep, I did not know about any of this. Why didn't we take a little 4-wheeler or something?
Because YouTube.
But I've made vlogs on 4-wheeler by myself before.
Yeah, but those 4-wheelers are different.
Why didn't we take the small one?
Vlog on my small 4-wheeler.
Why didn't we take the small one? Oh wow.
Sorry, let me go.
Is this still even your property?
Yep.
Wow.
Our property goes back even further than the trail.
Okay.
So if you passed Notley Hall before, you know where that field is past Notley Hall?
No.
Oh, well, you don't. Okay, well, I can tell you that way, the field where past Notley Hall Road, if you keep going straight, you'll see that field. That wood is our wood. So we have 86 acres of land. That's over 1,000 square feet. Over 1,000
Feet. Feet. Square feet.
There's over 1,000 square feet in 1 acre, so times that by
Square foot. Square foot. Square foot. Square foot.
You got deer prints. Doe walking that way.
Oh yeah, my grandpa killed a doe this year. He makes a beef jerky and oh my wow. Oh no, it's not beef jerky. He makes some deer jerky and it is delicious.
Now,
This video can't be too long.
I do get a little bit sad when I come back here.
Bye.
When I'm over in this general area.
Nice woods.
There was a cow that died. One of my favorites. One of my favorite cows died 2 years ago. Still feel sad today. Forever rest in peace.
Wow, this is a cool area. You can see.
Dead cow.
Where?
My favorite cow is buried right here. Forever rest in peace. We're not gonna bother walking that far.
Nice land over there.
We may have to make a part 6 because this is gonna be very long.
We're only at 8 minutes.
Alright, well, let me know when you're ready to make a part 6.
All right, guys. This is I thought that we were only gonna make a part 4, but we're gonna make a part 6. I did not expect that.
Yeah, we are barely even down here. Like,
Why didn't we just take a bike or something?
okay, so you want me to get a bike up this hill? You come down here and tell me how to get a bike up this hill. I will gladly listen to how to get a bike up this hill. My father can barely get up this hill. Actually, no, it gets up this time.
I did not know about any of this.
I took you down here one time, but we didn't go this far. We stopped up the food plot. Right now, we are going to my mom's farm. And we're still not done, because then we have to go back to my field and go from there. So we might actually make a part 7.
No.
If it's long enough, we will.
We're not going to record us walking all the way back up, by the way.
No, we're not.
No. It's already bad enough recording us just walking.
It's starting to hurt, and we're barely even done.
My stomach is rumbling,
We're like halfway done.
but like in a bad way. But like in a bad way.
I'm not going to remind you. Just that way. So my knee's starting to hurt because of my issue with my knee.
My stomach is rumbling. It wants to
I
explode.
have a issue with my knee because I landed on it wrong, and so now I have an issue with this side of my knee, right where that scar is. So if I walk for too long, it starts to hurt. See, my foot's red. Oh, my other foot's
My hand's red. holding the camera for you guys. I have to switch every once in a while. So the camera quality, so the video quality might go down because I'm doing it with my left hand right now.
Sorry, it just hurts.
Are you sure we can make it?
Yeah, we can make it.
We should have taken a 4-wheeler or something.
It hurts.
Like your little 4-wheeler.
We'll be fine.
No, we won't.
We can take the big spoiler down here if we want to. We got that way to go too. So
No, we're not gonna go down there. It's just woods.
it's not just woods. It's actually a very beautiful area when you get to the end.
We're gonna be walking forever.
We are.
We have a long way to go.
Good exercise, okay?
Yep. A lake!
It's not a lake, that's a creek.
Pond!
Look at that yet. We can look at it now. No!
What? Oh, I see. Flowing nice. Why did that tree fall? Like right there. What?
Look at that tree. And tell me why it fell.
Makes sense.
Because the water eats it away, and then like all down here is just exposed roots, and then eventually these roots can't hang on, it just falls.
And also, by the way,
flip.
and also, by the way, once we get down there, we can start digging out all the leaves a little bit. Once we get down there, we can take 2 sticks and
We're
just
going
go
down there.
if you want.
We can go down there later if you want to. Like, with not recording because it's dangerous down there, and we don't want to record.
I don't want to get another guideline straight.
Yeah, so we're not going
All right, how about we end it right here?
to. Okay.
Wait, end it in that tree stand over there.
I can't go in there.
I will.
No, don't.
Why?
Not safe.
It doesn't look safe.
It's not. It's an old tree stand. It's been there for 50 years.
All right, don't. Okay.
See y'all another video.